So, students, we had discussed about the definition of advertisement, characteristics of an advertisement, the types of an advertisement. So now we are going to discuss, right, the classified ads one by one, the types of classified ads one by one. So first we are going to take up situation vacant situation vacant. So what are the things, what are the points that we need to keep in mind when when we are making an advertisement for this column in array, right? Situation vacant in array, right? We need to write the heading. The heading will be situation vacant. Then we'll write the name of the organization. We'll write the age. We'll write the gender, right? So we'll write the gender. We'll write the post, number of post, right? Post and number of post. So then we will go for qualification, then experience. Now see, these are important points that you need to remember, right? You can give in other details, right? These are again optional, and the salary or pay perks, right? Pay perks, name, phone number, address of the company, right? Has to be given along with what you can say the mode of applying in it. So these are the points that you need to keep in mind when you write a situation vacant advertisement. So heading should be there, name of the organization, age, gender, post, number of post, mode of applying, qualification, experience, other details which is optional, salary or pay perks, name, address, phone number of the company. Now suppose there is a question, right? The manager of Infosys Delhi is looking for a senior manager HR. The manager of Infosys Delhi is looking for a senior manager HR for its Faridabad branch. Draft an ad, right? Now how will you write the ad how will you write an ad for this question, right? For this question in a way, right? Now for this we write Infosys Delhi, right? Infosys Delhi is looking for senior manager HR, right? So I have written the name of the organization and the post. AC is looking for senior manager HR, right? Should be below 35 years, right? Male, right? Masters in business administration, MBA, right? You can put it from renowned institution, right, from renowned institution, and computer knowledge must, English fluency required, right, English fluency required, and salary as per industry standards, as per industry standards. Start, right. Lunch and conveyance provided. Send your resume latest by 15th May. To manager, Infosys, New Delhi, or call 37624561. So this should be in a box. See, so right, so situation vacant, and then the details. Infosys Delhi is looking for senior manager HR, below 35 years, male, MBA from renowned institution, computer knowledge must, English fluency required, salary as per industry standards, lunch and conveyance provided. Send your resume latest by 15 May to manager, Infosys New Delhi, or call this. Right? So very short and crisp for a 4 mark for a 4 mark question in a way. Right? So this is how you have to attempt situation vacant. So here we need a heading. So heading is here. Name of the organization, Infosys Delhi. Right? Post, the senior manager. Right? Number of posts, there is only one. So senior one post is been referred to. Age is below 35. Gender is male. Qualification is MBA from renowned institution. Experience, right? Experience 3 years experience, right? Minimum 3 years experience required, right? Then computer knowledge must. This comes under other details. Computer knowledge must. English fluency required. Salary as per industry standards. These are again perks. Lunch and conveyance provided. Send your resume. So at last, send your resume latest by 15th day to manager, Infosys New Delhi, or call this number, right? So I hope you have understood situation vacant, how to attempt a situation vacant advertisement, right? So in the next class we'll learn more about situation wanted, right? Thank you very much.